Hello dear fans. What is fertility and mortality in modern ecology? Fertility and mortality in modern ecology are two determining factors for the distribution of natural resources between populations, the preservation of the natural biological system in the form of a biosynosis, and the maintenance of the balance of the number of individuals per unit of territory. Often, to preserve a particular species, artificial intervention in the biological system is required. Fertility in modern ecology is the total number of new individuals in a particular population. In modern ecology, a distinction is made between absolute and specific fertility. Absolute fertility is the number of new individuals relative to a unit of time, and specific is the number of new individuals assigned to a certain number of them. The maximum number of born individuals appears in ideal conditions, but is limited by the physiological characteristics of the species. From the moment of birth to death, there are three age periods: pre-reproductive, the so-called childhood; reproductive, the period of puberty and physiological ability to reproduce; and post-reproductive old age. Mortality is also distinguished as absolute and specific. In this case, the rate of decline in the number of individuals is revealed. The reasons for the decline can be illness, old age, lack of nutrition, attack by predators. Mortality rates differ in three types, the same at all stages of development, increased at an early age or in old age. Naturally, individuals are generally prone to high mortality at an early stage of development, so they do not always have sufficient functions of protection, immunity, and favorable conditions for survival. In general, the population renews and replaces individuals, thereby adapting to changing environmental conditions, as well as migration processes. Growing populations are characterized by high fertility and mass reproduction. Under normal environmental conditions, this characteristic is suitable for small animals and organisms, for example, locusts, rodents, weeds. In the conditions of reserves, the opportunity to increase the birth rate appears in rare species of animals, since favorable conditions and protection are created. If the population is declining, this means that the death rate exceeds the birth rate and the species is gradually dying out. Thanks for watching.